Hello, my hospice family. How you doing today? Welcome back to Dunn's Hospice. My name is Dunn Stedler, and I am your hospice registered nurse. In today's video, my hospice family, I would like to go in more details, okay? I made a brief short about this video, but I feel like it is important for us to understand the misconceptions that are out there regarding hospice. Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about what hospice really means because my mission is to shed light. All right, I would like to share the light on families, okay, so that we can make on families, on caregivers, so that we can make informed decisions, informed and compassionate choices when it comes to our loved ones. All right? So please, as you watch the video, I'm going to ask that you please like the video, share the video, okay? And stay connected. When most people hear the word hospice, they immediately think that means giving up. But that couldn't be further from the truth, you see. Hospice isn't about giving up. It's about shifting your focus. Instead of chasing cure after cure, hospice care focuses on quality of life, making sure that every single day is as comfortable, meaningful, and peaceful as possible. Hospice is not the end. It's a journey of dignity, love, and support. So, what does hospice really mean in practice, huh? Well, my hospice family, I'm going to break it down for you, okay? Let's break it down. First of all, hospice means medical support. A whole team of professionals, okay, consists of a whole team of professionals such as the nurse, the doctor, your hospice aide, okay? We all work together to control pain and manage your symptoms. Second, you will get emotional and spiritual care, which means that you'll be able to get help, okay? You'll be able to get support from counselors and chaplains. They are not only for the patient, you see, but for the whole entire family. Third, hospice, you will get practical help, okay? Hospice offers you with some practical help, such as hospice aides to help you with activity of daily living, such as bathing, grooming, okay? Even just being there when the caregivers needs a break to go to the store or just a break to relax for at least an hour, okay? And fourth, all right, I want you to know, my hospice family, that hospice provides family support, which means, okay, starting from teaching caregivers what to expect, all right, to offering 24/7 triage calls, all right, where a nurse is available to come to your home. You see, hospice ensures that no one walks this journey alone. At its core, hospice is about living fully until the very last breath. I've seen my patients, okay? I've seen patients in hospice still laugh. They still sing, still eat their favorite foods, and still have meaningful conversations with their loved ones. You see, hospice allows people to create precious memories. Maybe it's being able to make it until you could see your daughter walk down the aisle, you see? Or I've seen the cases where the hospice patient, they want to hold on until their child from overseas, okay, is able to come and see them take their last breath. You see?
Or we could have a veteran's telling his life story one last time. These are moments that matters. It's not about how many days we have. It's about the life and love that fills those days. Now let's talk about fear. I'm going to talk about some of the biggest fears that I've heard hospice families said to me.
As a hospice registered nurse, I know that, and I often hear one of the biggest fears that the families have is that, oh no, I'm giving up. If I call hospice, if I enrolled my family under hospice care, that means I'm giving up. Let me reassure you that is not the case. Choosing hospice care does not mean that you are giving up hope. If anything, it means that you are redefining. Okay? You get to redefine, you get to recreate, you get to give new meanings to what the word hope means. And this means hope for a free pain day, hope for your peace of mind, hope for your dignity, and most importantly, hope to be together, hope for togetherness.
So, what does hospice really mean, huh? It means compassion over cure, comfort over chaos, and dignity over despair. My hospice family, if you or someone you love is facing a life limiting illness, I encourage you to reach out to your local hospice agency and ask questions. Okay? Even if you're not sure that it's time, just having the conversation can bring so much relief. And always remember that you are not alone on this journey. Hospice is here to walk alongside with you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you find this message useful, if you have gained some knowledge from this message, I ask that you please like the video, comment, and share it with somebody that you think would benefit from knowing this information. As always, my hospice family, keep in mind, remember that hospice care is a gift, is truly one of life's gifts. All right.